how to share a Google Calendar invite link through Gmail. So there's two ways you can do this. So for example, I have this event right here, example. I'm going to click on that. The first way I'm going to try is going by pressing this email icon right here. Let's just press that. And for the email, I'm just going to use a temp email. Like that. And then the subject is invite. The message is come to my event. Let's send that. And on my temp email, there should be an invite right here. The subject's an invite, come to my event, and it'll show the details of your event. This is technically an invite, but the thing you're probably looking for is by this invite via link. So let's try that. Let's invite via link. And this will create a link. I'll copy this link. And the thing you need to do with this link is just email it to someone. So I'm going to make an example here, mailgoogle.com. I'm going to change to my other account. Give me a second. Okay, right here. I'm going to compose. I'll email this to the same temp account. I'm going to put my link first, and then the subject. It's going to be to the temp account. The subject is an invite. I'll send that. Back to here. Wait for it to load, and now, as you can see, there will be a new invite. Oh, well, hold on. Maybe it's not. It didn't come in yet. Let's refresh it again. There it is. Here it is. It'll come as an invite, and they'll have this link. Let's try to press it. And it'll redirect them to this page where you can say, yes, I'm going, no, I'm going, maybe. I'm just going to press maybe. Anyways, and after you say maybe, you'll be added to the guest list, I guess. But that is how you share your invite link through Gmail on your Google Calendar event. It's as easy as that.